What's up, guys? I'll tell y'all what, we are on a sure enough hot streak this week because 2 days in a row we have had issues out of the truck. So yesterday we got home from work and Chomper's brakes locked up. And so today I took the VMAX. We were also supposed to do a wheel and deal on the grabs and that fell through. But me and Knox were headed home from work. We were headed towards that big mamacita over there that's lightning, super bad rain and stuff. But it was nice weather, so we had the windows down. And so we're about to hit the rain. I roll the windows up, only for my back window to literally do nothing. And so we're trying to avoid the storms because all of that storm, then we live over there. So that's kind of a problem. So yeah, it won't roll up, won't roll down. Knox thinks it's shattered, but I can see it, so I know it's not shattered. It clicks. You can feel it trying to roll itself. Joy. Marketplace deal falling through, window will roll down or roll up, and we have to get home. And that's probably gonna involve the rain. Straight into the storm we go, I guess. It looks like we might can beat it. That is some serious rain and lightning. Well, by the grace of God, my heavy right foot, we made it home, thankfully, before running into any rain. Look at that hawk. He about to snag something. Oh yeah, he better pop a rat or something. Dude, do it on cam. Come on. Nah, he out. He fighting the wind. But yeah, about to be a bad storm. Thank goodness we didn't have to drive through it. We were actually able to outrun the outskirts and get back here. Holy crap, the VMAX is looking insane. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, get this thing in the shop. We'll get this door torn apart, try to figure out what's going on. Just got done fixing Chomper, so if you missed that video, I'll have a link to it in the description. Go check it out after this one. But I'm gonna try to make a 2-for-1 special and fix the VMAX as well today. We're gonna freaking open this and there's gonna be a 1892 Pirates leg holding the freaking window up. Or used to be, and now it's fallen, and now jokes. Shout out to everybody that was here when we did find the 2 pieces of wood in the back doors of Chomper holding the windows up. Absolutely iconic. That is freaking hilarious. But anyways, let's go ahead, try to tear this door panel apart without breaking it, because, you know, GMT 900 plastics, they're on the brittle side for sure. Okay, we're good. Nice. You got to get a pick in here and pull this little metal piece down. It'd make too much sense for there to be a little cutaway on the side of it. Just like that. Okay. Once again, of course, it would make too much sense to put a little place for you to pry in there so you don't have to mess the plastic up. Got a 10 mil. 2 more 10 mils. Can't find my trim tool, but we're gonna try to very carefully use this flathead. Come on, quit scaring me. Just pop up. Oh yeah, somebody glued her down. Yes, previous owner things. I just got that guy chilling over there for now. So I don't want to mess it up. Come on. Don't rip. Just peel on out of there. Let's put our switch back on, because it's probably got to have juice for the front one to work, if I had to guess. And let's see what she's doing, if anything. Ooh. Okay, so she'll try to go down. Well, that's her trying to go up. Oh no. All right, just tell me if that gets tighter. Okay. So, that guy is off the track. We're gonna go ahead, push that window all the way up. Just go ahead and tear you off some strips, preferably a little bit more durable tape than what I'm using, but this should hold her still. Where's my daggone wood plank at? I need a wood plank. Use that. Get her up and out of there. And there she is. All right. So now we can get this out of the freaking way. Wait a dang minute, because I think I found more issues which could still lead to us having to order it. But I got the freaking window up. I just literally reached in there, grabbed this wire, and it was loose. Don't know why, don't know how, but it is loose now. And I feel like there's a spring. What we got right here? What is this? Is it just freaking wound up incorrectly? What is this guy? We're going to remove this part. This is what actually clamps onto the window. Just pop it free. Let's go ahead and unplug the motor itself. Push in, pry that out. Off with his head! Pull like a freaking, what is it? Them head choppers. I don't know why I can't remember the name right now. Last one up top. Come on. Come on. You're so close. You're right there. Yes. There she is. Advance Auto Parts for the win for the second time today. My go-to local parts dealer, because not only do they always have what I need in stock, can't say the same for O'Reilly's or AutoZone, but if you shop online for the in-store pickup, you can get it in 30 minutes, and then you get the discounts for shopping online. Plus, you can stack additional discount codes that you find on top of that. And if you shop with them regularly, like I do, speed perks, $5-10 off. So I spent $62 on this joint. I thought it was gonna be a whole lot more than that. I figured it'd probably be like 130, 150 bucks. $62. I'll take it all day long. So looks like the same dimensions, obviously a little bit different design, which is hopefully a better design, which is going to fix this issue forever, at least for this door, until that one over there messes up. We still do need to get a switch for there, but let's just go ahead and reverse the process that we already did. Throw this thing in there. Hopefully it's gonna work. All right, guys, well, second marketplace guy did in fact show up. Just got him showed to him. It's a clean looking 2500. Thought it was a 1500. I was like, oh crap, tell me you didn't read the listing wrong. But now she ate lug, she clean. That's cool. I don't know if he watches the videos of the channel or anything. Didn't say anything about it, so I'm gonna assume not. But she gone, and we got some money in our pocket. Golden Hour and the VMAX go hand in hand. Holy crap, this thing looks absolutely incredible. Also, comment and let me know, should we leave the bed cover off? I do think it looks super clean without it, but at the same time, I don't want to take the bed rug out because it's one that they clearly bought through Chevrolet, but it's like a really freaking nice one. But this whole thing for the bed covers, it's also very beefy. It was probably very expensive, but it sits up so high. It's probably like a 10-year-old one, and that's why it does, but I just don't like how high it sits. Maybe we'll get just the soft roll-up that I've put on like 25 trucks at this point. I do think it looks good, but I kind of also want to put a freaking toolbox on this thing, make her extra stubby. Not really sure. Also, we should have brought a freaking four-wheeler because we were right down the road from Top Trails, which we're definitely going to be back. So I'm stoked that we got this truck and Chomper back up. Surprise videos, which that's the glorious thing about YouTube, is because when things go bad, I get to make videos, and I don't know, y'all get to learn or, you know, get some type of entertainment, or, you know, that's the goal at least, is to entertain y'all and stuff. That's the whole point of the videos, whether they're silly or, you know, serious or whatever the case. Either way, windows working. Still got to get the switches for the back to replace those because they only roll down, they don't go up, but the driver door rolls it up, and whatever. Y'all freaking saw it. That's gonna be it, guys. Definitely drop a comment, let me know, should we come back to Top Trails and send the old brute and the cat through the mud? Is there even good mud here? I don't know. There's a couple other parks I want to go to as well. Probably start here. I think that'd be a good thing. But either way, there it is, guys. Drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification. See y'all boys in the next one.